They have a very common problem with the rear doors, where check strap does not hold the door. You see, I release the door and it just closes by itself. And bump your legs, you know, which is very uncomfortable. The check strap sits in the door, so we need to start with door card removal. We need to remove that plastic cover, yeah, because there is a hidden screw and one more in that area, in the pocket. So we need 8mm socket and remove that one and that one in that pocket. We can use our pry bar and start looking for clips and lift them. Also, it will be a good idea to remove that top cover, yeah, so it won't hold our panel. And just like that, lift it, disconnect the cable and wire, and we can remove our panel completely. Need to disconnect the speaker, just remove 3 screws, 10mm socket and 3, and remove the speaker. And now we will have access to a check strap. 3 bolts, 2 bolts that hold it on the door, 10mm socket, and one that holds it to the body. And such a way we can remove our check strap. That's how it looks. Yeah, we need to drill those 2 weld spots to take it apart, and we will replace special like plastic inserts that hold it in place. I drilled out both those welded spots using 6mm drill bit, and now we can finally open that cover and remove those inserts. As you can see, there is a piece of rubber and a plastic insert that is completely worn out. Okay, I ordered 2 kits. That one is very close to what we need, but it's slightly different. Another kit was cheaper and have only plastic parts, but when we compare them, well, yeah, that one should work very well. Okay, so let's start putting that back together. Now I will put some grease in. It's kind of like a silicone oil. Cover that area and that area where it slides. Let's cover, check that it's centered. Yeah. Because it was welded, I simply slightly bend those edges. Easily just apply, you know, any tool that you have, hammer, whatever. Because on the car, bolt will tighten that and will hold it together. Yeah, it's just to make it easier to install it back on the car. Now let's quickly reinstall all those parts, starting with the check strap, then install your speaker and put the door card back in place. Don't forget to put that corner panel and screw the card. And that's all, guys. Door lock as they should. Yeah, stay in open position. Like that, locks in place, yeah, and close it. If that was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell button, you know, leave some comments, and cheers.